Hello, my name is Wendy Serrett, and this is the second video in my series on blockchain technology. And today I'm going to discuss kind of the outline of what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to look at various projects, and in that regard I'm going to look at references and show you the docs. Talk about what it's going to be used for, what type of nodes it has, because various technologies, various projects have different types of nodes, and in that regard we're going to talk about, validation, governance, what kind of coins or tokens that it uses, and in some cases they use two different types of tokens. Then I'm going to talk about the development aspects of it, what language they use, what tools, maybe look at some example code, what kind of chains they have, because often there's a main net, which is the main chain that they're using, and they may have others like a test net, and I've even seen something that says canary net, so I need to figure out what that is. Are there any regulatory issues? We do know that it's been in the news that that they're going after XRP, claiming it's a security and not a token or a coin. We'll see what happens there. And what's the competition? I mean, if a project says we're going to do cross-chain, allowing things to go between different types of chains, are there others? How are they where are they gonna fit in there? And then the other thing I'd like to do is demos, installing the nodes, maybe showing how you put a smart contract or app in the node. And so these are the things that I have planned. We will see, how that's going to go. I'm going to start working on that, and my thought is to start with Polkadot, or the dot network. I think that's a good place to start, because that's a rather interesting one. There was another interesting one that does distributed video, which is kind of a blockchain version of YouTube. Although, when I look at their site, they seem actually a bit stricter. You actually, if you want to live stream on this service, you have to actually apply and get a key, which in some ways makes it somewhat centralized if the permission comes from one place. So that's kind of interesting. But anyway, hopefully this will get you excited about some of the things we'll be doing. And I'm interested in being a coder, and particularly diving into the code and the demos and seeing, what does this thing do? And again, what language is it using? Some of them you can use multiple languages on. Some of them use, maybe use one type of language. And Bitcoin, I believe, the Bitcoin was written in C++. However, I'm going through a Udemy on that, and that instructor is doing the examples in Python. Interesting. But it's a good language to do the examples on. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. If you're interested, click on subscribe, and you will get notified of the future videos. Thank you.